so excited. I cannot wait. I got such an exciting parcel. Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I hope you stick around by hitting that subscribe button down below and ringing the bell to be notified of when I upload, which is every single week. So let's get on with the video. So today I have received a very exciting package, well, exciting for me. So I have got myself a MacBook Air 2020. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing. This is my first unboxing on my channel, so I hope I'm doing it okay. But I'm so excited. I've wanted a MacBook for years and years and years. And my old laptop, I've had it nearly 8 years, so it was ready for an upgrade. So I treated myself to a MacBook because it's my birthday in a few days, and I thought, why not? I deserve it. So let's just get right into it. So I've watched enough unboxings to know I don't need any scissors because there's a little tab here to just pull. Oh, it's so exciting. And that is what it looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. She's so pretty. It's actually so pretty. So if you can tell, I got the gold one. I just really wanted the gold. I watched so many unboxings and the gold is just so pretty. So I decided to get that, and I love the little detailing, like the little apple on the sides is gold, and also the MacBook Air on the top. So this is a 13-inch MacBook Air 2020, so it's the newest one that has come out, and I just got the basic. So it's the 8 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigabyte of storage, and it's the Intel i3 processor. So I'm dying to get into this, so let's just do it. Again, there is a little tab here to pull. Some ASMR for you. So hopefully you guys can see that okay, but let's get into it. Oh my god, it is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to show you what's in the box. So again, another little tab to easily lift it out. Oh my god, it's so light compared to my old laptop. So I'm just going to put it over here for now. So in the box then we have our charging cable, or our charging lead. Then we have our little documents. So in here is your instruction manual, which I will probably be reading because I've never had a MacBook before, so I don't really know. I'm going from a Windows computer to a Mac, so it's going to be a real learning curve for me, so I'll probably end up reading that. You also get the Apple stickers in the colour of the computer, so these are the gold ones. And then the last thing in the box is your charger. So I'm from Ireland, so I have the Irish plug. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's so tiny compared to my laptop now. And that was everything in the box. So now on to the laptop itself. So again, it just comes in a little plastic sleeve. So this is it in all its glory. It's so pretty, and I'm getting fingerprints on it already. It's definitely a rose gold, like people are saying, and not gold, which I am so happy about. I love rose gold. My phone is actually rose gold as well, and it's the same type of gold. So now I am just going to power this up. In all the videos I watched, it turns on straight away. So let's see. And there it's turning on. So it's really sleek and I love the design, and the trackpad is huge compared to my old computer. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see how I get used to that. So we are just going to quickly set this bad boy up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, Siri. Good morning. Now I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Apple ID. So this laptop also comes with Apple's new Magic Keyboard instead of the butterfly keyboard, and so far I'm really liking it. The touch is great on it. It's just setting up my iCloud. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? This is what I'm so excited for, is the Touch ID. Okay, so choose your look. We have light, dark or auto. I'm going to choose auto just because I like the way it looks and it'll be bright during the day and dark at night. True tone display, let us see, with and without true tone. Yeah, we're going to put on true tone. And now we're setting up our Mac. And that is it guys. I have set up my MacBook and it's all ready to go. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to start playing on it and using the different features. So I'm going to spend all day trying to familiarize myself with the layout and everything, because like I said, I've only ever used Windows, so it's a huge change for me. So that is it guys for my unboxing of my new MacBook Air 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'm going from using a Windows computer to an Apple, so it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm going to spend all day trying to familiarize myself with the different commands and things like that. And yeah, I'm so excited that I finally have it, and it's my little treat to myself for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know if I should get a case for my MacBook. I've heard mixed reviews. Some people say do, some people say don't. So let me know down in the comments below. And also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of when I upload, which is every single week, so you don't want to miss out. And I will chat to you guys in my next video. Bye!